Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to transfer a visible eSIM to a new phone, move eSIM, reactivate and fix error. To transfer your visible eSIM to a new phone, you must initiate the process through the official visible app on your new device. The carrier handles the transfer entirely digitally via its self-service portal, rendering built-in iOS or Android network transfer options incompatible. Phase 1 Pre-transfer checklist. Update the software. Ensure your new phone is updated to the latest OS version. Connect to Wi-Fi. Secure a strong Wi-Fi connection on your new device. Charge battery. Make sure your new phone has at least 50% battery or is plugged into power. Now check compatibility. If you are bringing your own phone, ensure the device is compatible with Visible Network. To check the compatibility, visit Visible Bring Your Own Device page. Then click Get Started button, enter phone's IMEI number and click Submit. If your phone is not compatible, you need to contact previous service provider to unlock it first. To check IMEI number, on iOS go to Settings, then go to General and click About. On Android, go to Settings, then tap on About Phone. From there, find the number listed under IMEI. Alternatively, you can also dial star hash 06 hash on your phone's keypad to view your IMEI number. Step 1. Disable line lock. Log into your visible web portal on a browser, navigate to privacy/security settings and verify that privacy and line lock is turned off. Leaving it locked will temporarily block the transfer. Step 2. How to move and reactivate the eSIM. Download and open the Visible app on your new phone and then log in to your existing account credentials. Now go to Account, then tap Your Devices and look for the section labeled Switching Phones is Simple and tap Switch Now. Then select a new phone when asked where you want your eSIM. Enter your new phone's IMEI number, which is found in the Settings then About, to verify carrier compatibility. After that, enter the security code sent to your registered email address or your old phone. Then click Continue when the Activate eSIM screen appears. Your phone will prompt you to approve the carrier profile download. And assign the default line settings if prompted. Restart your phone and make a test call to confirm that calls, text, and data functions correctly. Troubleshooting some common errors. First, device not compatible/IMEI error. Your new phone model might be logged or unrecognized by Verizon databases. Double check that your phone is fully unlocked by its previous carrier. On iPhone, check Settings, go to General, then click on About. Then tap Carrier Lock to verify it says No SIM restrictions. No service after download. Cellular activation payload glitch during the initial network handshake. Do not delete the eSIM profile. Simply go to your system network menu, toggle airplane mode on for 30 seconds, then turn it off. If network bars still do not load, reset your phone's network setting. Stuck on activating screen. The previous carrier line lock or a stuck server queue is pausing verification. Force close the Visible app and restart your device. If the status does not change after 15 minutes, open a chat window through the app or website to ask a Visible support representative to manually push the activation profile to your IMEI. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.